Hey guys, it's the Villain here, and let me just say, having a pool is pretty great. From cooling off during those hot summer days to relaxing poolside or just having some pretty fun parties. It's great, it's great. That's of course until you have to clean it, and anyone who has a pool knows that the maintenance of one is the most time-intensive part of owning one. I mean, you have to make sure the water is clear, clean and safe, right? Right. And that's where the Wybot S3 pool cleaning robot comes in. And let me just tell you, it has exceeded all my expectations. Let's dive in. The Wybot S3 is a fully automated pool cleaning robot that scubas and scrubs, meaning it cleans the bottom of your pool and the walls, so anything that falls into your water gets sucked up. After I open my pool, I use the S3 to help get it clean and ready. And if you know, you know, because after the opening, that's when your pool is at its dirtiest. After months of being closed up, so there's dirt, moss, bugs, leaves, you name it. At least that's how mine was. So that was the best time, I think, to see what the S3 could do. This may be a sponsored video, but we need to put this thing to the test, right? Right. In the pretty sizable box, first up, you'll find the Getting Started guide and assembly instructions, the solar charging dock assembly, the submerged portion of the dock assembly, the traction stickers to help with docking, and finally the S3 robot itself. Of course, there's the additional trim pieces for prettification. I don't know why, but I didn't expect the robot to be this small. Just look at it. It still has a lot of tech stuffed inside though. Up front are the sensors and the AI camera, controls for which part of the pool you want to clean, floors, walls, or both. Under the hood, you'll find the dual filters. They include a smaller mesh filter, which is the one I use for my pool, especially since I have a DE filter. On top of the dock is the home button, power button, charging port, and turbine outlet that expels the water from cleaning out the robot. Under that is the housing for the removable waste tray. The portion of the dock that sits outside of the water has the solar charging panel. It also has the button to recall the robot to dock and one to start cleaning. And of course houses all the debris that the robot sucks up. Assembly is pretty straightforward too, especially if you read the instructions. First, you place the solar panel assembly on the edge of the pool, then you use the included bracket and water tubes to connect it to the submerged portion. There's a power cable you'll need to connect as well so the robot can be charged while underwater. That's optional because you can always use the solar charger. I initially placed the robot at the deep end of my pool, but I ended up changing that to the shallow end of my pool, which had a straighter wall where I could place the robot. I will say though, setup is a breeze. You power on the robot and the dock and you're able to pair them using the Wybot app and add them to your network. Then you can control the type of cleaning, whether it be the floor or walls or a combination of both, or even AI visual clean, which uses AI and the built-in camera to identify areas of your pool to focus on and also avoid obstacles. The robot automatically maps your pool as it operates and refines the map as it cleans. The more it cleans, the better the model of your pool it'll create. In the app, you can trigger a manual clean, as I said, or control the robot manually, or even set a cleaning schedule. So maybe you wanted to do the floors on Monday and the walls and floors on Thursdays, or any day for that matter. It's all up to you. I don't know about you, but being able to have my pool automatically clean is amazing. My job as a pool boy is coming to an end. Now, what makes the Wybot S3 special is some really unique features. First is the world's first 3D mapping and navigation that scans your pool when you first use it and creates the most optimized cleaning path for future cleanings as well as the 3D model I mentioned before. On top of that, it has an auto docking, charging, and self-cleaning features. It even self-empties. So it's pretty autonomous. You don't have to worry about emptying the robot or fetching it out the water, fishing it out. No, it docks by itself, it empties itself, and it charges itself. It has some great suction too and has no problem picking up things like leaves or small particles. You can see the jet of water on the pool surface as the water shoots out the top, and to show you just how powerful it is. It goes up and down the slopes of the deep end without any issues and goes up and down the walls without any problems. You can't really ask for more than that. One thing that always gets me about pool cleaning robots is that you have to go fish them out of the water after every use and empty and charge them. That's a thing of the past with this bad boy. It has an in-water dock and an auto docking feature where it returns to the dock to charge and empty the debris out into the waste bin. That means you don't even have to touch it for up to a month. It just keeps the pool clean automatically. It uses its AI vision technology, which is this advanced vision system to detect debris and optimize the cleaning path, which significantly improves its cleaning efficiency. Work smarter, not harder, right? You can even track the status and position as well as control the cleaning modes in real time using the app. I'm really making use of my new backyard Wi-Fi network I recently set up. Since last year, I've renovated my outdoor kitchen and grill, installed smart lights, wireless music, and now AI pool cleaning. Does it get any better? Am I spoiled? No and yes, I think. Being smart isn't just limited to optimized cleaning paths, mind you. You're able to see cleaning schedules and get real-time updates and statuses so you know exactly what your S3 is up to and when. And that's a really great feature because robot vacuums have had similar features for years now. So why not your pool cleaning robot too, right? It's about time. I've set mine to clean the pool in the early morning so that I can have a clean and ready pool throughout the day. I set it and don't even have to think about it again. It does everything from cleaning to emptying the robot automatically. That's one less thing to think about and a lot of time I gain back to, enjoy my pool and backyard. The fun things. If you're interested in learning more or even buy the Wybot S3 or any other robot in their lineup, then I've left links in the description below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you would like a pool cleaning robot like this one. Thanks for watching and thanks to Wybot for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood villain man saying be safe and peace.